Hey guys, so I bought a Xiaomi Redmi 9A. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, I got another unit of Redmi 9A, but it has a cracked screen. The motherboard is dead. So let's unbox. Whoa, look at that. It has a bit cracked tempered glass. If I remove it, no crack at all. On the back side, it looks great. Beautiful colors. All parts are original, of course. Rare color. Let's turn this phone on. Let's see what's inside. There's no charger. Missing SIM pin, but it has a manual book. Complete set. Beautiful. So the phone already been turned on. Let's see the blue one. It has a bad crack on the screen. Look at that. But the screen is original, of course. Blue color. The condition not so bad. A bit of scratch on the side, on the body. Cracked screen. But I did a swap the motherboard and now it works. Beautiful. Currently it's not running on the latest version. It's running MIUI Global 12.0.22. The last time that I bought Redmi 9A with black color, bent body, the screen cracked badly, worse than this, and the display is not that good. Sometimes touch doesn't work and sometimes goes touch. From that motherboard Redmi 9A and put it here, now no issue. I know it has a crack, but at least the screen is original. I will put a full screen protector on it and that's it. No issue other than that. Can use as per normal. I'm happy with it. All parts are original, including battery. So I'm use the blue color one. The black color, I keep it as a part. And this one is running latest version, MIUI 12.5.6. A bit slow after turning the phone on. It's normal for the Redmi 9A. Both of these are same spec, 2GB of RAM, 32GB of storage, but different colors and different MIUI version. So the setting, about phone, as you can see, MIUI 12.5.6, Android 11, and this one is Android 10. But overall, no issue. All parts are original, of course. I really like its color. So compare side by side. Beautiful. So for now, my collection, I had a 3 Xiaomi Redmi 9A. This is my first Redmi 9A that I have. Was running on the first ever version, MIUI 12.0.3. Yep, Android 10. Overall, it's good. So here's my 3 Redmi 9A. I'm so happy that I have Redmi 9A in my collection. And now I have the box, original box. So before this video, you can give a feedback for this unbox and unbox this Xiaomi Redmi 9A. Also got another unit of Redmi 9A in the comment below, and so that's all for me. Thank you very much and see you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.